So in today's class of mathematics, let us see the definition of a metric space. Okay. So first I can take down the metric space. I'll write the definition of a metric space. So let X be a non-empty set. Non-empty set. Non-empty set. Okay. A function d is a distance, okay, over here, from x to x tending to r is a real number, is said to be metric is said to be a metric on x if it satisfies the following properties. So let us see the first property it should satisfy. First property will be d of x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 for all x comma y belonging to x. So here this will be positive. The distance between this x and y will be positive, okay, is greater than or equal to 0. This is the first property. Second property will be d of distance between these 2 points x and y is equal to 0 if and only if the 2 points are equal, okay. This is a if and only if statement. If these 2 points are equal, you can say the distance between these 2 points is equal. Okay, the distance between these 2 points are equal, that means the points are equal. Okay, 2 points are equal. Or if 2 points are equal, distance between 2 points are equal. Okay, so this is the second property. Let us see the third property, what it says. The third property says that the distance between x and x comma y is equal to distance between y comma x for all x comma y belongs to x. Okay, so it means that suppose if you want to go to Kerala, distance from Kerala to Pune will be same. Now this will be same as distance between Pune to Kerala. Okay, it says x, y, y, x. So this will be your distance, right? So the distance will be same. From where to where? From Kerala to Pune to Kerala. The distance will be same, right? So from x to y, xy will be equal to yx. Okay, that's why I said that distance between x and y will be same as distance between y and x. Okay, for all x comma y belonging to x. Next will be your fourth point. The fourth point says that distance between x and z is less than or equal to distance between x comma y. So it says that the distance which you take from z, this will be your z, this will be your x. Okay, so here it will be y, right? This part. So what I am saying is the distance between x and z is less than or equal to distance between x, y and y, z. Okay. So I say that distance between x, comma z is less than or equal to distance between x, comma y plus distance between y, comma z. Okay. So write down plus distance between y, comma z for all x, comma y, comma z belonging to x. So therefore can I say that, therefore I can say that let me rub this. Therefore I can say that x, comma d, okay, capital X, comma d it is a metric space. Okay, so it is a metric space only if it is satisfying these properties. Okay, a function is said to be metric on x if it is satisfying the following properties. So here x, comma d is your metric space. So I hope you all have understood the definition of a metric space or the statement of a metric space, and thanks for watching.